Hello, welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, filtering rows by comment or context ID. In memoQ, we can search for text in the source or target column, but in addition, we can also look up IDs or comments. Here, for instance, we can see a row with a comment and an ID. To perform a search in IDs or comments, we need to select Filter Settings, and then include comments or context IDs, or actually both. Then we enter the search string. Let's start with the ID. Let's enter 1, 2, 3. And here we can see the string with this ID. Then we can reset the filter and try with a comment. Let's enter document. And here we have all the segments with the word document in a comment. We can also change the view to active comments. Thank you for watching.